Hello everyone, welcome back to my class. This is grade 4 IT. In today's video, let us learn the concept inserting the text. This is page number 41, lesson number 5. Inserting the text. MS Word provides us the facility to add new text to an already existing document. Okay. MS Word provides us the facility to add new text to an already existing document. So this is the figure inserting text. Okay. So this is the MS Word screen. Okay. So they are saying MS Word provides us the facility to add the new text to an already existing document. Okay. So MS Word provides the facility to add new text also. Okay. Next step. Okay, so this is the first step. Place the cursor. You have to place the cursor to the right of the character where you want to insert the text and then type the text. Okay, so here I have placed the cursor. Next, the existing text which is placed after the cursor will be shifted to the right side. The existing text which is placed after the cursor will be shifted to right side. Concept about inserting text. Next, moving the text. Okay, so this is a figure 5.10, moving text. See here, this feature is used to move the text from its original location to a new location. There is a machine, so this is the text. So what we are doing, we are moving the text from the original location to a new location. So here are the points. Select the text you want to move, click on cut button. Okay, so this is a cut button in the clipboard group on the home tab, or press Ctrl plus X through keyboard. Okay, so or press Ctrl plus X. Next step, the text disappears from the document and is placed on the clipboard. Text disappears from the document and placed on the clipboard. Position the cursor at the location where the text is to be placed. Next, click on the paste button or press Ctrl plus V. What you have to do, you have to click on the paste button. So this is a paste button. So what you have to do, you have to click on the paste button or press Ctrl plus V. The selected text appears at the desired location. Okay, so here paste. The selected text appears at the desired location. Okay, so this is a cut button, copy button, paste button. Okay, so this is the concept about moving the text. Next one, copying the text. Next topic is copying the text. We have completed the topic moving the text. So our next topic is copying the text. Copy and paste option is used to duplicate the text. For what purpose we are using copy the text? Copy and paste option is used to duplicate the text. We can copy the text from one location to another within a document, or even from one document to another. This feature helps in reducing our time and efforts in typing. Copy feature is similar to the cut feature. Except that is copies the text and does not remove the text from its original place as cut feature does. Okay, so copy and paste option is used to duplicate the text. We can copy text from one location to another location within a document. Okay, here are some steps. First one, select the text you want to copy. Click on the copy button in the clipboard group on the home tab or press Ctrl plus C. Okay, short form Ctrl plus C. A copy of the selected text is placed on the clipboard. Okay, so this is the second step. A copy of the selected text is placed on the clipboard. Third one, position of the cursor at the desired place. Click on the paste button in the clipboard. So this is the paste button. Click on the paste button in the clipboard group on home tab or press Ctrl plus V, CTRL plus V. The copied text appears as its new location in the document. Okay, the copied text appears at its new location in its document. In the document, the copy text appears at its new location in the document. Okay, so this is about the topic copying the text. Okay,